In today's tech tip, we'll take a look at how to access free productivity software like word processors, spreadsheet programs, and presentation creation software. Now, if you've used word processors, spreadsheets, or other software before, you're probably familiar with Microsoft Office. So we'll start out on the Microsoft website, that is Office.com. And this is where they advertise their Office products. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see they have a Get Started Working Online for Free section. And this is where you can find their free word processor, spreadsheet program, and presentation software for use for you for free. Now the benefit is that you don't have to install it on your computer. This means that all of these programs run inside your web browser. So you don't have to worry about which version is going to work on your computer or what operating system you have. As long as you have a web browser pointed at office.com, you'll see these applications. And if we open up Word, you'll see that it looks very much like the Word program that you would get if you bought the Office program and installed it on your computer. And it all runs within your web browser. So again, nothing to install. When you save it, it's going to be saved out to Microsoft's cloud called OneDrive, and it is in a private area, so you can choose whether you want to share those documents or not. And that's going to be the same if you go to Excel and create a spreadsheet, or PowerPoint and create a presentation. Now the online versions don't have as many bells and whistles as the version that you would pay for and install on your computer, but it has enough functionality to be perfectly fine for any student from high school all the way through college. Now, not to be undone, Google also has some apps that you can use for productivity. If you just go to the Google website and then make sure that you're logged in with your Gmail account, you can click on the Blocks button, which is Google Apps, and you can see, if you click on More, that down here in Home and Office, we have Docs, which is used to create documents, Slides, which is for your presentations, and Sheets, which you can use to create spreadsheets. And if you open up any one of these, you'll see that they look a lot like the Microsoft product. So it has a very similar common look and feel, which makes it easy to use. Now, just like Microsoft Office Online, these programs are free, they run in your web browser, and everything is stored on a cloud storage. So you can save your documents here. Now the benefit to that is that if your computer crashes, you're not going to lose your document. Everything is saved as you're typing, so it's saved constantly. Another benefit to both of these programs is that you can easily share documents, spreadsheets, or presentations with a group of people. You can even allow them all to edit at the same time. So if your student has a team project with students that are in various locations, they can all be working on the document or the presentation at the same time, or they can be working on specific sections at the same time, and it's all saved in the cloud, and everyone sees the up-to-date document at all times, which is really nice. Now, if you don't have an internet connection, there are still some free alternatives for productivity software. And in this case, you want to take a look at a group of products called OpenOffice. OpenOffice is a group of products that is free and available for anyone to install. Now, it does have to be installed on your computer, but you can download it off the internet and then disconnect from the internet and just install it and run it from there. It also runs on either Mac or Windows, so there are versions for both. And you can see that you have OpenOffice Writer, which is this text document. You have OpenOffice Calc, which is their spreadsheet program, and then they have OpenOffice Impress, which is their presentation program. And like the others, it looks very similar. Now in OpenOffice, since it is installed to your computer, your files will not be saved into a cloud, and you won't be able to easily collaborate with others online. But if you don't have an internet connection, OpenOffice is a great alternative for you to use for free. Interested in learning more about these programs? Check out our new Digital Savvy course. which teaches how to use word processors, spreadsheet software, and presentation software, in addition to other topics like computer hardware and software, social media, computer networks, and more.